Hello everyone, my name is Hadesoja the Guide. Today I'll be discussing single degree freedom spring mass system on Simulink MATLAB. Once again, I'll be discussing single degree freedom of spring mass system. Now here we have the representation of a single degree freedom of spring mass system. Here we have mass being suspended with a spring balance with a viscous constancy, and we have the sinusoidal force embedded on it. Don't let us forget that a single degree freedom system with a viscous damp has a spring constant, and the system is excited by a sinusoidal force F, and if the damping has a factor ratio and the amplitude of steady oscillation at the resonance become M. So therefore, let's input or simplify this on our Simulink. Here we have the sinusoidal force N being inputted on it. We have the step in force N. We have our mass of 2 kilograms and the C constant 5 Newton seconds per meter, and the K constant is 100 Newton per meter. Now, all these blocks has already been connected on the Simulink. So in order for us to simulate this, the first thing to get is to get our displacement, which is the height, the maximum height of the freedom, of the degree freedom, and the velocity. So how do we find this on the Simulink? The first thing is to save first. After saving, then we can change the C constant, which has been given that it should be 5 Newton seconds per meter, and our case constant, which is supposed to be 100. Now let's run the whole single degree of freedom spring mass system, and let's see what we have at the displacement. Here you are. Here we have the response of the sinusoidal response. So from here, our maximum displacements give us something around 0.15 here. So we can display and find the maximum. So our maximum is 0.14. That is the highest amplitude is 0.14054. Also, by finding the velocity, we can run this. Good. So our maximum velocity in meter per second can be displayed by using configuration property once again. So therefore, our maximum plunge on velocity is negative 1.5348. Thank you very much for listening to my Simulink video, and I hope it helps a lot of people on how to simulate a single degree of freedom spring mass system. Thank you once again.